Okay, so how to draw a good cartoon? What are the things that are required to draw a good cartoon? Is it a very good pencil, paper, color, or is it something else? Okay, so in this video, I will tell you about that. Okay, so let's go. Hello and welcome to Digital Pastel. I am Abhik Vasu. I am a cartoonist and illustrator. So today's topic is how to draw a very good cartoon. What are the things that are required? Okay, so before starting the video, let me tell you that there is subtitle in this video. Okay, as you can see below, English subtitle is coming. Okay, so you can see this video into other languages also. One is my national language Hindi and the second one is my mother tongue Bangla or Bengali. Okay, for that you can pause the video here and then I'll tell you the steps. If you see below the video, there is a white box where CC is written and there is a red underline below it. Okay, if you see on the right hand side of that, there is a settings icon. You have to click on that icon. Then you will see subtitles or CC is written. And in front of that, English is written. If you click on the English, then you will see the two other options, that is Hindi or Bangla. Okay, you can click any of the languages and the subtitle will change in that particular language. You can see this video in some other languages also of your choice. For that, you have to click on the auto translate option, which you see below. Okay, then you'll find all type of languages that are there and that will be translated by Google. But they are not 100% accurate. It will be around 60 to 70% accurate. Okay, so if you watch this video in a mobile or tablet, then in that case, you pause the video first and then on the top right hand side, you see the CC button. And on the right of that, you see the three dots. If you click on the three dots, you will see caption is written. And on the front of that, English is written. There, if you click on the caption, then you will see the two other languages, that is Bengali and Hindi. Here, the auto translate option is not there. So you can click either Bangla or Hindi to start the subtitle in that particular language. And after that, you can again restart the video and if you want, you can start it from the very beginning also. I have translated in Hindi, Bengali and English because I know these languages. Right. So let's start the video. So what are the things that are required to draw a very good cartoon? Basically, there are two things that are required for a good cartoon. Cartoon is basically a picture which has some humor. So basically, cartoon is a picture which has a joke on a very particular topic. Okay, it can be politics, it can be sports, it can be cultural, socio-economic or anything. To draw a good cartoon, the first thing is required is humor, which is the funny situation or a joke. And second thing is the drawing or the final output. How good is your output? So let me tell you that I have participated in many international cartoon competitions. And in most of the competition, I have seen that even if the final output of the drawing is not that good, but every cartoon which has won prizes or which has ranked very high, there the humor is very good, even if the drawing is not so good. Okay. So in my opinion also, the funny situation of the story should be very good. Okay. Even if the drawing is not that good. Okay, so let me show you some examples. Then you'll understand what exactly I want to say. Okay. So let's go. Okay, so here is one cartoon. And here, as you can see, this is done by Alireza Haidari from Iran. Right. Now, you can see in this cartoon the output or the actual drawing is not that good. Okay, but the main humor or the fun part is very much visible. See, there's a zebra crossing and all the cars are standing in a crossing. The people who are supposed to cross through the zebra crossing, they are avoiding it and walking on the road. So that is the humor or the fun part. But if you can see the output Okay, the cars are not very symmetrical, the drawings are not very perfect. Okay, but the humor is there. Now, if you see the next one, see this is done by me, and this is where the world currency, the dollar and the euro, they are reviving after the pandemic. Here also you can see that the output is not very good, but the humor is very much visible. Okay, now let's check the next one. See here the output is okay. The color, the line work, they are okay. But the actual humor or the fun part is not that good. See here the person who is driving the car is going on a bad road and he's thinking as if he's driving on the moon. Let's check the last one. This is also done by me, and in this cartoon I have shown how student they take the online class. This boy, he has made a cutout of himself and put it in front of the computer, and he himself is sitting on the bed and playing video games. Okay, so here you can see the humor is also there, the color and everything is also good. Okay, so you have to keep in mind these things. The humor is the main thing, and that should be very much visible in the cartoon. Okay, so as you saw various examples of cartoon, now hopefully you have some idea of how to draw a good cartoon. So the number one thing is a very good humor or a funny story, and the second thing is a good drawing. If both are there, then it will be outstanding. Okay, so to draw a cartoon, this is what I do normally. When I get a topic, what I do is I search Google and try to find out the actual meaning of that, and then I try to think of a funny situation on that particular topic. Sometimes the idea comes not in that particular moment, it may come in the next day. It happened to me many times that the idea of the topic came to me on the next day when I'm brushing my teeth or taking a bath. Because whenever you're thinking on a particular topic or a word, okay, and that thing is in your mind for a long time, then the particular solution or the idea comes maybe the next day or after some time. Okay, so that's how I draw cartoons. You may find your own solution or your own way to find the idea, but that's how I get my idea. And another thing is, it is one of the profession where actually there are no rules. Okay, whatever you do, if the output is good, if it has a good humor, a funny story, then people will like it. Okay, but still there are some rules which you can follow, and if you do follow, then the output will be definitely much better. Okay, so in the next few videos, so I'll tell you about the basic steps of drawing cartoons. Okay, so in the next video, I'll tell you about how to draw a cartoon head. Let's start from there. Okay, so hope you have liked the video. If yes, then please click on the Digital Pastel logo on top to subscribe. Click on the like button, share with friends. Put your comments below if you want. You may put your comments about how you get your idea for cartoons. Okay, so that's it for today. Meet you in the next video.